What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Like Smith channel. And before we get into today's video, which we're going to be going over some interior mods on the truck, and we've also got some parts for the truck build in from the mail, UPS, FedEx, whatever. So we're also going to be talking about some of the interior mods, and I'm going to need your guys' help in this video. So make sure you get down there in the comments below and answer the questions that I'm going to be asking you guys later in this video. But before we get into this video, probably not going to have another video up until after the new year. So I don't know, I might have one more. But either way, guys, it's Christmas Eve, so I just wanted to stop in here and tell you guys before we get into today's video, Merry Christmas. I appreciate each and every one of you all, everybody that tunes into these videos. I appreciate you all. You all have made my Christmas super awesome this year and helped me throughout the years with all kinds of stuff. So I really appreciate y'all tuning in and watching these videos. And I cannot wait for this show season in 2022 to get to meet a lot of you guys and just everybody in your all's families and you, every single subscriber, viewer, whatever. I appreciate you all and have a Merry Christmas. Just wanted to say that right quick before we get into today's video. So with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video and start talking about some interior design plans on the truck. I'm going to walk over here, open up the door. My batteries are dead. I forgot to put them on charge and they've just been sitting so long. So I may have to turn on like a flashlight or something, but we'll get this all figured out. But before we go inside, actually, I want to show you guys this. So I know in some of my other videos, I had mentioned that I wanted to start adding more black to the interior. So I did get these black WeatherTech floor mats. Huge shout out to my fiance. She actually bought these for me for Christmas. So hey, I ended up selling my tan floor mats and just got to pocket what little money I got out of them. And she bought me these black ones. So these black ones, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one in and show you guys how much better these black floor mats are gonna look. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. That looks so much better. So see that black, and it's like a textured black too. With the textured black. Sorry the lighting isn't the best, but you guys kind of get the idea. Let me go get a flashlight. All right, here we go. So I got a flashlight now. So, oh yeah, that looks freaking awesome. That looks so much better. So the black floor mats really added some more black into the interior. And of course in the back, that's gonna help too once all of that in the floor is black as well. And then the headliner, Weathertech, those look awesome. So huge shout out to my fiance for those. I really appreciate that. All right, guys, so with that being said and showing you guys those black WeatherTech floor mats, those look really awesome. And that adds more black to the interior, I feel like personally. Of course, yes, it physically adds more black, but it just kind of ties the center console in a little bit more. And after we get more done on the interior, which we're gonna talk about, and I'm gonna need your guys' help in this video, our next mod is this big roll of suede headliner material. So huge shout out to Driven Customs. I already shouted them out in my last video, but huge shout out to them for getting me this headliner material super quick and super cheap. So I'm gonna try to open this up right here at the end a little bit and show you guys. So you can see that right there. It's just a basic, it is suede, but it actually, like, it feels like a really good quality suede. And this does have like the foam backing. So I think that's what you ideally want. So that's some really good stuff. And for one roll of this, I can't remember how much it was, but it was super cheap. I'm pretty sure they even beat like Amazon's price. So for how much I got, I'm not sure how much I have here, but I know that it's plenty to do the headliner and it should be enough to do the sun visors as well. So I feel like a lot of things that people miss is doing the sun visors. I absolutely want to do the sun visors, and that's where we're going to talk about our next company that we're going to be kind of working with. So we're going to take the sun visors out and we're going to send them the suede material that is identical to the headliner material. We're going to cut off enough for them to have, and then we're actually going to be sending that to a place called Florida Boy Customs, I think is what it is. So make sure you check them out. I'm gonna be throwing their Instagram and all that stuff up on the screen. They do absolutely killer work, and he actually sent me a link to what to buy to install the headliner as well, and they are very, very professional, a great shop. So I do trust their judgment on like what adhesives and stuff like that to use on the headliner, because the last thing I want to do is do this 1,000-piece, 1,500-piece Starlight kit, and then the headliner starts sagging a year later. So he recommended some stuff, which I'll include and link in the description box and all of that in the video whenever we actually do the Starlight headliner. But I don't even remember the name of it. It's in our messages on there. So I will be sending the sun visors right here. I'll be sending those to Florida Boy Customs. And then this bar right here and the plastic piece, I guess those pieces I will paint black. So I'll just take those out, sand them down, and I'll paint those black. And then I should be able to reuse my little Papal holder thingy up there. And then, yeah, so that'll tie it in even more. So what I need your guys' help with is my pillars. So the pillars on the interior, I want your guys' advice on what to do with those. If I need to take those out, run them up to Line-X, have those Line-X to where they match the sub box, because I kind of want to do some more stuff on the inside in bedliner, just because I think that it would match really good. So I want to maybe do these in the bedliner. I want to take them to Line-X, you know, have them sand those down and bedliner them. And then what I was talking about as far as pillars go is these pieces right here. So the tan up through there, and like the tan where the seatbelt is. Of course, I have the tan seatbelt, so I want to leave some tan. And I have the tan seats, and I plan on leaving the tan carpet. So I'm not going to be doing black carpet. I still want to have, you know, like the dash, I never plan on painting or anything. So I'm going to be leaving the dash tan, and then that bezel is black. So I want to leave, you know, some tan and black. There's just a whole lot of tan in here right now, so I needed to add the more black. So we've got the black floor mats, and we've got the black headliner, black sun visors, and then, of course, these tan pieces that are actually in there with the headliner, I will be painting black. And you'll get to follow along with me on that and do that as we go. In the headliner video, I'll probably do a 2 or 3 part headliner series. And then at the end, probably make like a video of all of it combined and do just like kind of a quick generic headliner video showing how to do the Starlight headliner. So my plan on that, I guess we'll talk about that right quick. My plan on the Starlight headliner is to do 2 500-piece kits. And on one of the 500-piece kits, I'll be able to run one color, and then on the other, I'll be able to run another color. And those are just going to be randomly scattered evenly. So I'll put one 500-piece kit in, and then I'll put another 500-piece kit in, or I may do like 2 300 kits or something like that, to where I have like, right now I have 450-piece kit, and it, like, I love it. Like, it doesn't look like it's not enough or anything like that. So I don't want to go, I don't really know if I'm going to do 1,000 or not. But I'm either going to do like 2 450-piece kits or 2 300-piece kits, something like that, to where there's more than I have now, and I'll be able to run 2 colors at the same time. So I think that'll be really, really nice, and I think that that'll look really, really cool. And then right here in this big open spot, I want to do a YouTube play button logo. So I think it'll be really, really cool to do a YouTube play button logo right there, to where like if you're sitting in the vehicle and you look up and to the right, there's a YouTube play button logo. Because YouTube is a huge part of my life, and YouTube is a huge part of this truck build. I literally couldn't build this truck if it wasn't for YouTube and for you guys, each and every one of my subscribers. So I really appreciate each and every one of you all again. And so we got the suede headliner. We're going to be doing that. I want your all's advice on what else we should do to the interior, what pieces we should maybe have Line-X'd black and stuff like that. So I want your all's advice on some interior stuff. And then as far as exterior goes, I'm also going to give you guys a sneak peek of the powder coat color. So it is going to be a top coat called Glowing Yellow. It can change based on what color it goes over top of. So in this photo, I'm finally going to throw up a photo. This is not 100%, but this is like 99%. In this photo, the photo on the left, or the item on the left, was powder coated alien silver, and then it has the glowing yellow over top. The color on the right was powder coated gloss white, and then it has the glowing yellow over top of the gloss white. So I really want it to be vibrant and bright like the color on the right. Don't get me wrong, the color on the left is very vibrant and bright as well, and it has that metallic flake in it that I'm looking for, but I want it to be an in-between of these. I want it to have the flake and the metallicness of the color on the left, and then I want it to be kind of the color, maybe a hair more on the green side than this is, because this is pretty much just neon yellow. So I want it to be kind of in between these two colors. So we're playing around with a couple more base coats at single shot powder coating. He's taking care of that for us and getting our samples done. So we should have the 100% confirmed powder coat color in the next video. We also, huge shout out to our sponsor, PMF Suspension. We got the complete lift kit ordered and everything on its way. So those are all, you know, built to order custom lift kits from PMF. So I'm sure they're on probably like a 6 to 8 week order, you know, back time. I'm not sure. I didn't even ask Trevor how long it would take to get the kit. But we have the King coilovers in the front, the big fabricated buckets. There's a lot of metal components coming from PMF, so I cannot wait to unbox those for you guys. I'm not sure if they'll be coming on a pallet or through UPS or what, but we will be doing some unboxing on suspension whenever we get the suspension in. It's going to be freaking awesome. Also, guys, we actually ended up getting our other leaf spring. Of course, this one ended up coming taped. It wasn't zip tied like that one. So we did get both of the leaf springs in now, so that's super, super awesome. These are 6-inch Pro Comp soft dried leaf springs, and those will get completely disassembled and taken apart and powder coated, and those will look really, really good in the back of the truck. This is the only components on the truck that's not going to be from PMF directly. These are from Pro Comp for under $400 on eBay. So this is a really, really good budget-friendly option. So I thought that was really, really cool and hard to beat. So we're going to be doing a 2-inch block, and then these leaf springs. The 2-inch block will, of course, be with the built-in traction bars and all of that from PMF directly. But these leaf springs will be the only item that's not directly from PMF. So we've got the headliner material. We've got the floor mats. This is Scott's wheel. If y'all are wondering what this wheel is, I'll throw up a picture on the screen right now. Scott actually hit a pothole the other day and blew his wheel in half. So that's great. I think this one is bent as well. This is on the back of the truck. He actually hit and the wheel in the front of the truck exploded. And then, you know, this was on the same side. So this one went through the same pothole. So it's probably bent, but at least it didn't explode. Sorry if you're watching this, Scott. I didn't mean to bring up bad memories, but you're handling it well and you're not really worried about it. So I had to tell everybody. All right, guys. So that's going to be, actually, that's not all for the video. I wanted to give a huge shout out. I'll throw out some pictures on the screen. Go check out Haas Hat Company. They sent me out this badass long sleeve shirt. I can't really turn around because I'm holding my phone. But they sent me this badass long sleeve with a hood. And then they also sent me a pretty badass white long sleeve. And then they sent me 2 hats, which I done a giveaway with because I don't wear hats. And everything is like stupid good quality. So they're not like a sponsor or anything on the channel. They just wanted me just to mention them in one of my videos and send me some cool stuff. So awesome company. They watch the YouTube channel, so I appreciate y'all watching. And I love the shirt. I'll definitely pick up some more whenever y'all drop some new designs. I really, really like the quality of it and the fitment of it. This is a large. So yeah. It's super comfortable. Like, this feels like something, I don't really know what to compare it to because I don't really buy fancy clothes, but it feels really fancy. Feels better than anything else that I wear. I guess I'll say that, except for the Justin Hawk Smith merch. It feels really good too, which you can go online to www.justinhawksmith.com and pick up some shirts. I still have some left, not many. I'm sold out of pretty much all sizes, I think, except for extra large and extra, extra large. And I think that's it. I think we just have extra large and 2X. So I'll try to get some of those back in stock if y'all didn't get to pick those up already. But you can go online and check the stock on everything. Anytime you want, it'll either show the size or it won't show the size. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I appreciate y'all watching these videos and tuning in, and I cannot wait for January. Towards the end of January, we should be getting a lot done. We should be getting everything off to powder coat, probably early January, mid-January. And then... well, actually, we can't get everything off to powder coat yet because we have to get the lift kit in. So whenever the lift kit gets in, then we will get everything off to powder coat. So as soon as the lift kit gets in, then we will be getting everything off to powder coat. I think that's all for today's video, guys. I need y'all to drop me some interior mods down below. We've already got the sub box with the 15-inch scar. Maybe door speakers, maybe some door pods, stuff like that. I just want y'all to drop your ideas. And I kind of mainly just want to come on here and chit-chat, show you that I got my leaf springs, got the floor mats, got a couple other things. And got the lift kit ordered, got the powder coat color kind of figured out. So wheels will be coming soon. We will be talking about wheels in the next upload. And yeah, I just wanted to kind of come on here and tell you guys Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's if I don't see you until New Year's. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Also, guys, after we get our new tires in, I'm going to be doing a video on this Dura Dressing tire kit, which is a permanent tire shine. So supposedly you can put this on, washable, won't turn brown, waterproof, all kinds of stuff. It's not supposed to sling on the side of your vehicle. It's supposed to last like, I don't know, I think like the better you do it, the longer it lasts, but I'm pretty sure right here it says permanent tire coating that can last up to the life of the tire. I mean, you know, I don't know if you can necessarily put these on some Michelins and hold it to it, but you should be able to put them on tires that we use because, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a video on this, so stay tuned for that as well. I wanted to mention that right quick. Bye.